surprise them with a trip to Colorado.
And now we're at the Garden of Gods. You know, I had to come here because I'm one of the gods. Just kidding. But yeah, you guys will see a lot of drone shots from here. And it's freaking amazing.
It's
Beautiful.
Open, so much to see.
Matter of fact, cue the drone shots right now. I hope you guys liked that freaking drone shot. Sorry, I'm like a noob at it. But yeah, right now, currently,
Perfect, right?
yeah, practice makes perfect. Currently, right now, we are going to go get some food. So we'll see you guys at the next stop. Yup.